Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Miss. We are here to present the journal. Here, I will introduce my member name. My name is Ameri Yulina, and my ID number 011 022 0069. And my friend,
Hello Miss, my name is Afnir Hayu Sureni. My ID number 011 022 0017. And my friends,
Hello Miss, my name is Hikalia Zawa. My ID number 0110-2007.
title, Online Learning in the Middle of the COVID-19 Pandemic, Order, Periodic Scientific Journal of Biology Education. Next, background or introduction. To fight COVID-19, the government has prohibited crowds, paying for social distancing and maintaining physical distance, wearing masks and always washing hands. The Ministry of Education and Culture of the government has prohibited university from conduction lecture in advance, conventional, and order them to conduct lecture or learning bodily, commanding both dictate circular letter number 1 of 2020. The purpose of this study is to describe the board learning that was taught at the Biology Education Study Program, FKIP Jambi University as an effort to suppress the chain of spread of COVID-19 in the university environment. The board learning referred to in this study is learning that use learning media that can be accessed using internet service. Next, method. Student of the Biology Education Study Program, FKIP Jambi University, will target as an effort to suppress the chain of spread of COVID-19 in the university environment. The research was conducted using a survey method, conducting a survey to students regarding the application of online learning. There were 96 subjects who responded to the distribute survey. The survey was distributed using a Google Form given to students via WhatsApp messages. The result of the survey were then grouped into 3 categories of student response. Number 1, agree with the implementation of online learning. Number 2, disagree with the application of online learning. And then number 3, doubt about the implementation of online learning. Next.
method. The research subjects were students of the Biology Education Study Program, FKIP Jambi University, who had carried out online learning, and were grouped based on the response of the research subject. Data collection was carried out through telephone interview and meeting or quad Zoom. The research subjects were 12 people, consisting of 4 students from class 2017, 4 students from class 2018, and 4 students from class 2019. 8 male students and 4 female students. Analysis of research data was carried out using the analysis model of Mills and Huberman, or 1994, which consisted of 3 stages, namely data education, data presentation, and drawing consolidation and verification. Result. The unique research result of this study is that students feel more comfortable in expressing ideas and questions in online learning. Taking lesson from home make them not feel the psychological pressure from their peer that they usually experience when attending face-to-face learning. The absence of literature directly or physical also causes students to feel not awkward in expressing ideas, but also have the weakness is that student online learning is not probable properly supervised during the online learning process. Weak internet signal and high costs are a challenge for online learning, but study online can reduce the spread of COVID-19 in university.
Conclusion. In order to break the chains of the spread of the virus such COVID-19 in university environment, then the Biology Education Study Program FKIP Jambi University apply online learning as a solution to the implementation of learning. Research shows that students have the facilities and infrastructure to carry out online learning. Online learning is effective for overcoming learning that allows lecturer and student to interact in the classroom, which can be accessed anywhere and anytime. Online learning can make students learn independently and increase their motivation. Next, our opinion. Lectures are carried out using the internet to make it easier for lecturer and student to interact online, which is the best effort to suppress the chance of spread of COVID-19. Lecturer can easily create teaching materials that can be accessed by students anywhere and anytime. Meanwhile, remote areas with internet network, the faculties do not even have good internet access. So the application of online learning shows a different trend, which can be used as evaluation material for local government and teachers for smooth learning, especially since the outbreak of COVID-19 has variant. The new virus is Omicron. Thank you for attention. Any question?